it's a Jig Jackal and
Godzilla Fanatic 1.
Yep. We're gonna have a contest who's awesomer. Why is my hand in my pocket? And one strap, that's because I'm cool. You got that right. But fly away home, ladybug. Oh, it must have been dead. Oh. So we're gonna have a contest who's awesomer. Round 1. Guess what it is? Cartwheels. Okay. You go first. Do a cartwheel right there. No, not on the cement. Like in front of these trees. Okay. That's pretty good.
You must be left.
But I think I can beat it. Here you go. Ready for this?
What is that?
To tuck in my shirt because I don't want it going on. That would be bad, and then post it on YouTube. That's worse.
Wait.
I don't think I can do gymnastics anymore. I used to be good, and now I suck. So, it's just my face.
I don't. You win,
I'm
definitely.
Dizzy. I'm dizzy now. And I just had ice
I'm gonna
cream.
drop.
So, tell me what you think about that. Who won? Her. Even he says I won, so if you don't vote for me, I'll hunt you down and kill you. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. Okay. What's round 2?
We run around the trees.
Okay, that requires no skill, but being an idiot, just running around a tree.
No, we run around the trees and have a race. So we go like, like we do figure eights around.
Okay, we're gonna have a race. See those 3 trees? 1, 2, 3. We have to do figure eights around them. So here we go. Jacob,
We start from right.
you go on that. You go on that side. We're gonna intertwine. Go on that side of the tree.
not.
He's going on this side of the tree. Fine, you stay on that side of the tree. He's gonna.
We're having a race.
He's going right there. Yeah, but we'll go on opposite sides. Here we go. You think I can beat him? You're probably wrong. Ready, set, go. Get on my way! I pushed him on the ground. Woo, extra time. Oh crap! It just rained. Oh! God, no! No! I win because he just skipped a tree.
No,
Oh no, first one run around this one is. Or touch it. Oh, I touched that one.
No.
Well, I kind of won that.
Fine. No, I meant we go the same way though.
Okay. I just want to go plop on the floor right there and die, but I can't. I'm too young to die. Maybe I can lay in the middle of that road. Hope for the best. But that probably won't happen.
Definitely.
We're gonna have 3 or 5 rounds. 3 or 5? 5? 5 rounds. Round 3 will be.
How about we have to keep running from the driveway and
We have to run from that little tree here. From this little tree and to that little bush. Right there. Oh, I'm gonna catch a lightning bug.
I swatted him out of here.
Where are you? Come here.
How about we have
You know you want
it. Contest?
The lightning bug doesn't want to come. But so from that little tree to that bush. Let's go. Woo. And I'll lose again. Actually, I won the other times. I'm not a failure. My parents will love me. Okay. Okay. First one. Okay. So I'm touching the tree.
What are we doing?
See that?
What are we
See
doing?
that? I'm touching the tree. We're running from this tree to that bush. Ready, set, go.
Wait.
This other one. Touch it, gotta touch it. Oh, you can't hold me. I could drop my camera. Woo! I win.
That's fair. I didn't know. I declare a rematch.
Well, you also pulled on my shirt.
I don't care.
Which wouldn't have been good.
I declare a rematch.
What's round 4?
Rematch.
No, Jake, pick round 4.
Yeah, rematch.
Then I win by forfeit because
No,
you won't
you
pick
don't.
round 4. You get
always
to
look for
pick round
excuses to
4.
make
Pick
yourself-
round 4.
We have to try to chase each other from the around the trees, and
I like having just 3
the
rounds.
first person to not be.
Oh my God, there's a lightning bug.
The first person.
You see it?
The
Gonna
first
sweat it out
person-
here.
The first person that's it, or that's not it, or that the first person that can go longer without getting tagged wins. You can be it first. You can
Oh,
be
you see
it
it?
first.
You see it?
See?
Oh! See that little yellow dot? So I hit him out of the sky.
Okay, we have to chase each
Jacob,
other.
no more rounds. Just give it up. So
No.
this has been sort of eventful, sort of not.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's my mom. I'm vlogging. Do you want to be filmed?
No.
Okay, well, she waved to you guys. Tree. Tree. Me.
Tag you.
Because it's me and a tree. I like this song because I made it up. It's fun. But, oh my God. No. I don't want to tell you what just happened. Disturbing. I'm scarred. Okay. Well, you can see there is a bat.
A bat?
Bat is flying around me, and it's kind of cool. I'm bored. Well, I have to go now, so